Let's tackle the next question that's about the protection. Under the review menu, there is protect. There are some ways where you can restrict the editing. You can even assign a password to it. There are multiple things that you can do. Not all of them can be completely enforced. For example, you can encrypt the document, so you can actually protect it in a way that nobody can read it. That's for very secret documents. But what usually lawyers want to do here is to, for example, say, I want to have this start enforcement here, where you want to avoid that somebody could sneakily insert some words that without you knowing about it. So that's what you can do here. Another way is that you want to prevent that your business users would start messing around with the formatting. And so you can say here, limit the formatting to certain styles. So like that they can only do a few things. That's what you can configure here in this dialog box. It's a good thing to apply this if your documents are still being edited by your business, your salespeople, for example.